Okay. When it comes to that time, you let us know.
Those people we need now.
Please, I want to let you know the governor himself is interested in a matter of free and fair. That's why we are here. Please, no fight, no trouble. Everybody cannot win. One person will win. So whoever wins, please, I want to beg you, let's support the person for a good development of the world. Please. And please, I need your cooperation. I need all your cooperation for this team to become successful. Because if it's not successful, now message they send me, I'll still go back to return back the message as I see them. No need to fight, no need to keep person. I beg. Let us make it free and fair and easy. You see how the way of the delegate easy. So let it be easy for all of us. Thank you very much. I want to call on the first person, Obasui Grace. Is she here? Iwinosa Enabulele. Egor, Enoma P. Is Enoma P here? Then we are calling on the next person. Orobo Osasunwe. So right now, I don't know if any of you have anything to say, or we should go on. Okay, you have something to say.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mrs. Grace Obasu. In the interest of the party and interest of peace, I have decided to step down for Iwinosa Enabulele. All right. Please, I want to appeal to all my people. I'm appealing to all my people to vote for Iwinosa Enabulele. Yes, I'm stepping down for Iwinosa Enabulele. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So you can leave the stage. Is there any person who have anything to say, or everybody should? You have anything to say? Yes. He asked a question. He said, I said I'm going to read out the names of people who were cleared. So I have a list with me. The names I call are people who were cleared.
Thank you.
So you have anything to say now?
In the same line and in the interest of the party, I'm also collapsing my structure for you. I said I am collapsing my structure for Iwinosa Enabulele.
I think we are moving forward. I can see we are one family here. I believe both of them, they have their supporters. And all of you that are here to vote, you have your party card. And please, when you stay in your line orderly, we will do a counting. Please, when they count you, don't leave. Just wait on the line, in a straight line, please. We have been going on smoothly. Please, let's do it smoothly. Thank you very much. So, my brother, you stand here. This way. So, okay, climb up. Let me be here. Climb up. Right now, please, we are going to give space.
Yes.
Please give space this way so that we'll have a long line here. Can we please?
How many? That's 653.
55.
No, 54.
Please, let him come. Though you want to stand for Enoma, please stay on the queue and hold your party card.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
And 471. Wait. For Iwinosa, we counted 654. Then for Enoma, we counted 471. Listen to me, please. Please, I have to tell you again. I am not here to tell you the results or who win. They only send me to count the supporters of one another and report back. Did you hear what I said?
Iwinosa Enabulele, this one is the second time that they run your election. The first one on Saturday. And wait till we observe, you beat your opponent, which is your brother and your party member. Today, you dey beat him again. How many votes you take beat him and how many you get?
first and foremost, my brother, I go tell you, say this victory today, now God now give me this victory, and the good people of Osemu. The last time when you dey talk for the election, the margin when I would take Peter, I can't dey shame for myself. But as I say they want to do rerun, I say I go get prepared for today's election because who God does send, no man can stop his destiny. The margin when they take beat him, it's too much, my brother. It's too much.
What will be your scores and what will be scores?
The score where me I get in Iwinosa Enabulele where God sent come this life now 654. While igunwe Precious Enoma 472. Well, now my younger brother, I go drum near body since now one party with them.
Thank you very much. Exactly 3:22. Now we carry this matter on the give now. As at exactly 3:20, now they declare the result for Ward 7. For the PDP primary, when it takes place this afternoon again, after the Saturday on. When leaders meet during the weekend, they contest the same they go do the rerun for the local government. I can't believe say Ward 7 for Egor local government, which is the local government capital area, which is Uselu, can't be different. Because of some persons when they get interest outside the local government and outside the world. When they begin, they put pressure on how they fit to turn the election upside down. But you know the way God they do things, when he don't stand behind somebody, you know they shake again. The same person, Iwinosa Enabulele, when he win on Saturday, defeats Enoma Precious Igunwe, can repeat on this afternoon, and the margin of today can increase past before. But before the election, they can't do their delegates. Will be 3 by each ward, and they can't bring out the 3 persons when you go represent the ward for the LGA level. And after that one, they can't give time for the 4 aspirants when he contest. 2 ladies, when they say can't declare their votes, and they can't step down for the same Iwinosa Enabulele to win election. And one of them talk and say, waiting they happen now for the interest of the local government and peace for the party and peace for the world. And when she talk and everybody jubilates that statement. And the lady say she gets over 155 persons when they support her, and he declare for Enabulele to win the election because he look and say get the capacity to win her for the election, and he go win the opponent and opposition within the party. And after the election, they can't do their normal counting from 1 to the end. Enoma igunwe come score the vote of 472, while the person when he win Enoma will be Iwinosa Enabulele come score 654. I talk from the beginning, say, who God stand put for a bag gidigba, he not they ever lose anything when they look for. I go sign out from this very position. I go let you know, say, was 7 election. If not so, they mobilize for the main election for February 25th. I not believe, say, the party where they belong to will lose the election the way they lose the last time. You need to see the crowd where they this ground. You need to see the crowd before the election. You need to see the mobilization where be say, ordinary primary alone, people go mobilize like this. And I go one make I use this media to tell the party for the local government and the state level, may they continue to the throw weight behind the people who are popular, so that their election and campaign not going to be the problem for them. I go sign out from this very moment for TMC TV. My name is Egor.